3. Top rolls round the shoulder, run goes Robbie up there and stand number 6. Already up the next roll around the shoulder, stands 2 and 5 together, blow for blow as they drop down onto the long board. Simon Bedwell and big Hamish Mitchell, a Scottish World Champion there, and there's a fast one going into the paper, stand number 4. He's not lost a bit of it. Tom Wilson there stands 4, a real quality shearer. So look at that, Simon Bedwell comes down and stands 2. In goes Hamish and take a hand for Hamish. In goes Simon, pops it out, in goes Scotty. He's got a nice 31 there in stand number 1. Well, should get the roll off it. And you go with what you say down there now. Simon Bedwell is in for us to step up the neck on Keith Cody. He's got a couple of balls ahead of Hamish this time. Hamish has just changed the handpiece, so he's got a best cut, so hopefully he'll be blazing hard now and hoping to get the lead back up Simon, but he said, you're going to have to work hard to get ahead of me now. Hamish, he said, he turned the corner over the last shoulder, he comes underneath that front leg, down the last side into the flank. Hamish Mitchell taking hard after big Simon Bedwell all down to first to drop in for speed, number 15. There's nothing between these boys. The pace is warming up with 3 or 4 left in the pen. Down the valley they go. Come on, Scotty, dig, get in there. He's in for another one. Calum's got a bit of a struggle again. Kicked in them as he turns to come down the last side. Sends it down. The old man's giving you a bit of advice there, Calum. Come on, dig, mate, get in there. Down the line there he goes and out. In for another one. But look at the 2 boys on 2 on 5. Down into the long boat they go. It's Simon Bedwell first to step over this time as it over here. They turn to come down the last side. They go for goal. There's nothing between them. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Step back Simon Bedwell up here in stand number 2. There's Hamish Mitchell. He's just a few balls in front of there. The big man from the sky up there at stand number 6. Come on, Dad, you're shouting Hamish. Pops around the border. And there's Simon there. Stands 2 and 5 together go. Sheet number 16 on the board for these boys. They're cheering 18. Sheet the ball against 2 left to the bed. Look at the baby face. What's happening here at stand number 3. And goes me Scotty at stand number 1. And goes Tom Wilson there. And stand number 4. Robbie Hislop been on board time for him. But Calum short out there. Close to the wee crackle. Stands 1, 3 and 4 together to go. Tom's got a bare belly. He's got 2 lamp in the bed. He knows what he's doing there. Tom's got experience. But it's these 2 boys, ladies and gentlemen. Simon Bedwell and Hamish Mitchell. Stands 2 and 5. Who's going to catch this last time? Second last sheep in the boat for Hamish Mitchell. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Down on these boys. And goes by Simon Bedwell, stand number 2. Down to the middle comes Hamish Mitchell. Robbie Hislop, he's on there for his next sheep. Down the last side comes Scotty Wilson and Tom Wilson. And Campstick, get that sheep back in face. Stephen Campstick. And then he goes, we'll get back here, just steps up and then he goes, and goes Tom Wilson there. This time we move off around the back of the area, just up here goes in front, and goes wee Scotty, and goes Calum Shaw. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, sheep number 17 on the board for stands 2 and 5. And back here, Hamish is from the corner for him. Down the last side, he comes Finley, he's on for a climb, and Simon catches up enough. Oh, stands 2 and 5, it's 4 for 4, who's going to be first in for the final sheep to go. There's nothing in it. Let's cheer on home, folks. Get these boys home. This is where it happens. That's taking deep shots. Stands 2 and 5. Simon Bedwell, Hamish Mitchell. Up the neck comes Hamish. Up down the right with Simon. Look, nothing in it. Calum had a wee bit of ball getting up there to shoot. But look at that one killing him. Stand number 5. He's smoked this last sheep off. He's starting to talk with his steps over and down the rubber road. Comes and heads for home. It's coming down the money straight now. Simon pushing right back on. Come on, let's get in there. Come on, man, Calum. It's back here, it's still down. Let's take that up back here there. And there's Simon Bedwell on stand 2. Great shit for this great shit. Well done, those boys. Don't forget about the rest of the field there, folks. They're working just as hard. Robbie Hislop up there on stand number 6. He turns and heads for home. Great shit for Calum Shaw there. He gets his final sheep out onto the board. This young shearer, a real prospect for the future. Look at him going. Scotty Wilson here, stand number 1. Beautiful shear for young Scotty here as he cleans up the legs, goes down into the flank. But Calum goes up the neck. And Tom Wilson there, a crack world champion. He's still got it. Look at him going. Tom Wilson coming down the last side and he's going into the pen, getting on the he's in for secret releasing. Come on, Tom, big mate, you know what it's like, it's hard going up there. Tom Wilson then down the last side, 2 left in the bend. Down the hind leg and out he goes. And look at how Scotty Wilson kept it flying until the last seat. He stepped over on the long boat, even that sheep around, turns the ship, turning for home. He's really enjoyed this experience, he'll learn from it, and I'm sure we're going to see Scotty in this final for many, many years to come. Come on, Scotty, keep it going there, well done. Give him a round of applause, a young lad, 21 years old. Great stuff. Come on, Robbie. It's out of there, down the last side comes Robbie Hislop, this powerful shearer, on stand number 6. Lord the ball down the last side, up the hind leg, a flicker on the tail, and out goes Robbie Hislop. Give him a round of applause, it's hard work up there. Big, strong hogs. Tom Wilson then gets underneath that front leg. Big, strong sheep. Keep it going, Tom, underneath that front leg, down the last side he comes. It's tremendous, he's a master shearer, a world champion back in 1984, ladies and gentlemen, now living in New Zealand, and out he goes in for his final sheep. Come on, Tom, give a round of applause, keep him going, it's hard work up there. Oh, his left hand turn straight into the hind leg, now you enjoy that.
Come on, he's got the block in his spin, give him a encouraging, ladies and gentlemen, look at Tom Wilson. He's up world champion in the past, Steve Dunn individual, 1984, he won it down at Barton West. He won the teams event out in Master in 1996, I think it was, ladies and gentlemen. He knows what it's all about. Another few boys, he'll come the corner. Down the last side comes Tom Wilson, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, cheer him home. Down comes Tom Wilson there. Down the flank he goes. 3 more boys to the reach of the front, ladies and gentlemen. I want to hear a big cheer for Tom Wilson. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, here goes Tom Wilson. They're in the cheer over the car. Let's hear it for all the boys up here. He's Scotty Wilson, Simon Bedwell, Calum, Tom Wilson, Hamish and Robbie Hislop. Tremendous shearing, ladies and gentlemen, top 2